Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. I'm working on the 57 again today, and down here near the wheel well. And this is also where the end of the rocker panel, inner rocker panel joins in. Mine was rusted out. There's a plug here, and it was rotted out, and then this piece inboard here was all rotted out also, and so I had to cut it off. As you can see, I've welded that in already, and then I had to cut a little bit over here. You know, the wheels always seem to, so I'll weld that back up. But got this down here clamped in place. I originally made this particular panel here, as you can see, but when I put her through the bead roller, I rolled it the wrong direction. So we make mistakes. But the good thing is, it'll work on the other side. So I'll use it over there if I have the same situation. But anyhow, getting this welded in, I got it clamped. There's a plug weld hole here and then another one here. I'll plug weld those first, and then I'm going to come along. And I'm actually going to leave this lapped. I was going to just butt weld it, but you know what? Nobody's ever going to see this. I'll put some seam sealer on the back side and weld it here on the front, and then grind it down and undercoat it, and it should be all good. I am going to have to, I don't have another one of these seals. I didn't replace it, so I'm going to have to patch something in here for that kind of seal that seals against the fender. But I think I got something that'll work around here. So, but you know, this is a driver. It's not a 100-point restoration. This car is so rusty, you'd never be able to do that to it. But you know, hopefully we can get her out on Route 66 and have a little fun with my wife, and maybe see a few of you along the way somewhere. So anyhow, take it easy, guys. This is what I got for today, and I'll come back when I've got her welded in here and give you a little bit of a look. Well, I think we got her for the most part, but here I did, like I said, I put the plug welds in, welded those up, a little bit of seam there. I overlapped it. I think it'll look pretty good on this other side here. I think it'll be good. So a little seam sealer over there, maybe I'll hit it with a couple tack welds. But so this is the last step before I can put this outer quarter panel on, front piece. So looking forward to getting that on and seeing the car with a whole quarter panel. So take it easy.